Hi, so this video is me showing how to change where your application form submits to. So forms can go to multiple different places that you want them to go to, but I'm just going to show you specifically with an application form, and but all forms work the same, whether that's for an email opt-in or an application or a contact. They're all within Aspire Builder using the form widget, but I'm going to show you with an application form. So I'm in my Maggie template, which is a premium website template that I have designed and I sell on my website, but I'm going to go here to apply to work with me. I built this page actually in a funnel, so it's actually not one of the pages on the site. If you see that none of these are the apply page, I built this page into a funnel. If you look, here's my funnels, because I'm nerdy and I love analytics. So funnels allow you to look at your analytics, like your visitors, your sales, orders, all that kind of stuff. So I put the application page first, and then the second page is just a discovery call meeting page where they're going to use that page to book a discovery call using the Aspire Builder calendar. But if you have your own calendar with like Calendly or something, just stay tuned. I'm going to show you how you can link that in your form. So here's the form widget. If I click here on the form, as I hover over it, it says what the widget is called in the top right corner. And so this is the form widget. We've made all these fields. These are the specific fields for this form. Or this application. And if you click on it and you click edit settings, you'll see right here, it says action on submit. So you can have it do many things. It's just a matter of what you want it to do. You can either have it show a thank you message, which is basically just a simple, as soon as they click submit, it's going to, you can just type whatever you want it to say and it's just going to show that message and that's it. So that's if you want it that simple, or you can have it go to a page. The way you do that is you click here on this little link. And as you can see, there's many different things that you can do when they submit this form. Right now, this form is going to the next funnel step, which is that discovery call meeting page is the next funnel step technically. So it doesn't matter whether I have it clicked on this or I have it clicked on this, it's going to this page, the discovery call meeting page, because that's in the funnel. So you can have it linked to another page in a funnel, or you can have it linked to a page on your site. So maybe you have a page, like a certain page on your site that you wanted to go to. Maybe there's a certain, these are just more pages in the site. They're just other page folders. You can have it like submit to the blog if you wanted to. Like it's totally up to you. You can have it submit to, when they submit the form, it goes to a certain, product that you sell. But obviously this is an application form, so I'm just more showing you that with any form that you have anyone use, you can have it submit to any page. But since this is an application page, you're most likely going to want to have it linked to another page that you already have, that maybe you're going to put like your discovery call or like a way to book a meeting with you, and you can use the Aspire Builder appointment meeting, or you can link to, usually the most common thing is people want to put a URL link. So a link to a certain Calendly calendar that they have, or, whatever calendar you use, you can definitely make it where as soon as this form submits, you can paste that link here, and you can make it where when the form submits, does it keep them in the same tab? So it just directly takes them straight to that URL. Or are you wanting that URL to open up into a new tab? So you can choose whether you want it in the same tab or a new tab, but you would just paste the URL and click select. But you can also have it go straight to sending you an email. Obviously, you probably don't want that, but there's just all these different options within a form. You can have it linked to a file, but probably don't want that. But yeah, I just more wanted to go over all the different ways that you can technically link to different things when it comes to submitting a form. So most common thing, like I said, is linking to another page that has a way for them to book, or linking to an external URL that you specifically need them to go to a certain URL for a certain calendar. So I know Calendly is very popular, so a lot of people will paste their Calendly link here. So you're just going to paste that, click select, make sure you choose which one you want, click select, and then click save. And also make sure that if your site is mobile optimized, you want to make sure you go in on the mobile version as well. This one, for this form specifically, there is not a mobile version, or else it would have like the 2 blue lines that says mobile only. So this is technically mobile and desktop, this form, because this container shows on desktop and mobile. There is no mobile version of this container. But if for some reason we did have it where there was a mobile version of this one where it shows 2 lines, make sure you go on your form and make sure the settings are the same, so that when the form submits, it goes to wherever you're wanting it to go to. So just making sure it matches on mobile as well as far as your settings. But yeah, it's pretty easy. I hope that video is helpful.